In this video, I'll show you how to access a call recording directly from Salesforce. While you're in Salesforce on any contact or lead, you'll see that in the activity log, you have all of your video calls, phone calls, emails, text messages, etc. You can go to any phone call, and on that phone call, you can click into the activity itself. Within the activity task in Salesforce, you will see that there is a field called conversation. This conversation field is a hyperlink, and you're going to want to click on this conversation field. When you access the detailed conversation, you will see for every call that there is what's called a recording URL. When you click on this recording URL, it's going to open you up into the Revenue.io Conversation AI platform directly on that call, where I can hit the play button, change my playback speed, skip forward, search the transcript, etc. in order to listen to a call. That's how you access a call natively from Salesforce.